The HTML to upload a file is rather simple. The form must use the post method. Don't use get. The encoding type option must be set to multi-part form data. Uploading won't work when this option is missing. An input tag is of the file type. The name references the uploaded file when the form is processed. In your PHP code, the file's superglobal array offers details about the uploaded file. This is a two-dimensional array. The first dimension is the name option from the input tag. The second dimension describes file attributes. Suppose that uploaded is the reference name as shown in the HTML code earlier. These are the variables you can use as the second dimension in the file's array. Name is the submitted file name. Type is the file's MIME type. Size is the file's size in bytes. Temp name is the temporary file name as it's stored on the server. Other arguments are also available, though these are the ones I use most often. This code processes the form shown earlier. The input tag uses the name uploaded shown here. These are the four items I've mentioned, constants used as the second dimension in the file's superglobal array. The values are fetched and stored, and then output here. I'll choose to upload a simple text file. And here you see the file stats: the name, the type, the size, and the temporary file name on the server. This temporary file has already been deleted, so it's important that you deal with your uploaded file in your script. To transfer the uploaded file from temporary storage to a preferred location, use the move uploaded file function. Its first argument is the temporary file name, handily supplied by the temp file variable. The second argument is the destination path, including the file name. This argument is where things get tricky. You must know where the server stores files. My recommendation is to use the server superglobal variable with its document root element, then build the path from there. For example, document root, then the path on your domain where you want the file stored. This technique may not work for personal web pages, those that use a tilde in their address. This PHP code is specific to my home office configuration. It moves the uploaded file to a useful location. Use this line for a hosted domain. I use this line, which is specific to my office server. Regardless, the home path variable is used to build a full path to the file. This code processes the image, which can be viewed right away on the web page. The code ensures that the file type matches JPEG image file, otherwise an error message is output and the script ends. For valid JPEG images, the move upload file function takes the temporary file and relocates it to the destination, including the name up here. I've added the change mod function because my server doesn't set file permissions properly. This isn't an issue for my domains hosted on GoDaddy. This line outputs the image, and the else condition executes when the upload fails. I've modified the HTML code so that it uses the PHP file as its action, just shown. I'm going to select a JPEG image file, submit. This string shows the file's original location and its new location on my server. And here's the image, all bright and pretty. Images and other files stay on the server where you set them until they're deleted. You can use FTP or SSH to manage the files and to troubleshoot. Be careful with file uploads. Use the file's superglobal values to ensure that the file uploaded is what you want. If you allow a user to upload a file, they can upload anything, including a PHP script that overwrites an existing script. Use the file type option as shown in this video to ensure that the upload is what you want. Check the file size, confirm the file name. There's no coding challenge for this long video. Instead, I recommend you experiment on your own with uploading files until you get the process down and everything works as expected.